Are your Moho lines bumpy and messy? Chances are you are using the Add Point tool wrong. I will show you how to control it so your lines stay clean, points stay minimal, and your art's easy to edit and animate. We can select the Add Point tool by clicking on the icon on the top. I have Auto Stroke enabled and all the other options are unchecked. With the Add Point tool selected, we click on the workspace and then move the cursor, and then we click again. This way we can create our shape with the points. Once the shape that we want is complete, we can press the Enter key on the keyboard and the shape will become a stroke. In case we want to add another point in this shape, we can do that also. And if I want to make a new shape, so this line is separate from the first shape. If I want to connect both of these, I can click on the point over here and move it next to the point on the top. Now the line is connected and it's become one shape. Now I will enable this option, Autofill. Autofill only works when the shape is closed. This is the closed shape. If we go to the Style panel on the side, next to Fill, I have white over here. We can change the color from here. Now we can see that I have created a shape, but this is not a closed shape, so the strokes are not applied to it and the fill color is also not on it. Now the shape is closed and it has the color which I selected in fill. The next option is sharp corners. If we enable that, we can see that the corners are not round, they are sharp. And if it is unchecked, so this is the difference with sharp corners. After this we have the option Auto Weld. So when Auto Weld is enabled, we can connect two shapes. If I want to connect the point, this shape with this shape, as soon as the point from this shape comes near the point of this shape, it will automatically get connected. But we don't have the option to move the points with the Add Point tool. So we have the Transform Points tool. This is next to the Add Point tool over here. With the Transform Point tool, we can move the points, scale them and rotate them. So I'll select this point on this shape and now I can drag it close to the point of the other shape, and if I leave it, both of these shapes will get connected. You can see this. So now this is a single shape. And if I disable auto weld, so I've created another shape. Now if I move this shape close to this point, with auto weld disabled, it won't get connected automatically. So we can see that both the points are on over each other, but they have not auto weld. To connect them, I have to press the enter key. The points auto weld. The next option is the Bezier handles. If I select this, the stroke will get a handle over here. I'll use the transform point tool, select the handle, manipulate it like this. So if the shape is closed, then all the points will have a Bezier handle. Let me show you. So if you look at the hair, these are the points, and there is a handle on every point. But if the shape is an open shape, it is not closed, like the mouth, then the handle will be in the middle. The ends will not have the handle. So I have created this eyebrow, and I can use the transform points tool to make a copy of it. And then I'll move the same eyebrow to the other side. First we select a point, press the tab key. Now we can see that all the points are selected. To copy it, we'll press Ctrl C, and then to paste it, we'll press Ctrl V. And now I'll move it over here. On the top we have this option which says flip horizontally. Now I'll do this. So we can do the same thing with the ears also. I'll use the transform points tool, select the ear, press the tab key. All the points in the shape will be selected. We can go to the top, edit, copy, and then click paste. And now we can move one copy to the other side. And then we can do this, flip horizontally. Think your Moho rig is solid? Clean lines won't make it move. Your characters can't animate smoothly without well-built bones. Next, I will reveal the bone tools basics most beginners skip. The setup steps that make rigs easy to control.